If you've ever needed to copy a Google Drive folder, but realized there isn't a simple one-click folder duplicate button, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest workaround step by step. This is perfect if you want to back up a folder, reuse a project structure, or duplicate a set of files without starting from scratch. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Google Drive tips and simple how-to guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into the account that contains the folder you want to copy. Once you're inside Drive, find the folder you want to duplicate and open it. Now here's the important part. Google Drive doesn't let you directly copy an entire folder the same way you copy a single file, so we need to copy the files inside the folder instead. To do that, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all of the files in that folder. If you're on a Mac, you can use Command+A instead. After everything is selected, right-click on one of the highlighted files and click Make a Copy. Google Drive will create duplicate versions of those files in the same location. This may take a few seconds, depending on how many files are inside the folder. Once the copies are created, the next step is to make a brand new folder that will hold the duplicated files. Click the +New button on the left side of Google Drive, then choose Folder. Give the folder a clear name so you can easily recognize it, especially if you're copying folders for work, school, or client projects. After naming it, click Create. Now open the new folder you just made. At this point, go back to the original folder location where the copied files were created. Select the copied files, then right-click and choose Move To. A small window will appear asking where you want to move the files. Choose the new folder you created, then click Move. And just like that, your copied files are now organized inside a duplicated folder setup. If you want, you can double-check by opening the new folder and making sure all the files are there. This method is especially useful when you want to preserve the contents of a folder without changing the original. It's also a great workaround if you're sharing templates, saving backups, or making a fresh version of a folder for a new project. One thing to keep in mind is that this process copies the files inside the folder, but not the actual folder structure itself in one single step. So if your original folder has subfolders, you'll need to repeat the process for those as well. That said, for most basic folders, this is the fastest and safest way to get the job done in Google Drive. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.